Okay you guys, ngayon bound tayo sa Clark International Airport papuntang Palawan.
Yes.
Magdadrive tayo for a couple hours. Yung mga pasahero natin. Okay, say hi guys.
Hi.
Okay.
And guys, don't forget to thank our driver and tip him after the ride.
We'll see you there. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa Clark International Airport.
One way.
Okay.
One way.
So papark tayo doon, park and fly. So hanap lang tayo ng parking spot. Okay you guys, see ya. Okay guys, naka-parking na tayo. Naghahanap na tayo ng parking dito sa loob ng lot. So yun ang airport ng Clark International Airport.
Ito dyan.
Hanap lang tayo ng parking. Okay guys, nandito tayo, naglalakad na tayo, nakakuha na ng parking. Lalakad na tayo papuntang departure dito sa loob ng airport. So yan, naman sila. Ayun, yun ang parking lot. Nakakit tayo ngayon. Okay? See you guys. So now guys, ngayon nandito na sa loob ng airport. Ito departure, pero sarado pa yung yung mga counter check-in. So, ano naman kami, nag-online check-in, pero syempre yung mga i-check-in namin ng mga bagahe, kailangan dumaan sa counter para ma-weigh. So, medyo maaga pa kami, so maghintay-hintay pa ng konti. So, first time ko nakarating dito, Clark International Airport. Nice, yeah. Hindi busy, kaya maganda siya. Ngayon naman, nandito sa food court. Kakain muna kami ng early lunch para bago lumipad yung koron may laman ng ang tiyan. Anyways, 2:40 pa naman ang flight namin. Ngayon is 11:07. So yeah, early lunch kami para hindi magutom sa flight. So guys, ito yung napili namin kainin. Ako, ito yung napili ko kainin. Pinili ko ay beef bulalo mami. Yan, kay Mang Tunying. Ano lang to? Parang fast food lang. So, tapos, ito na. Ready na yung food ko. Okay ko na. Diba? Sarap. Yung airport food natin ngayon. Sila doon sa restaurant kumain. Bumili ng food ito. Lechon kawali. Tsaka ano itong isa?
Liempo and lechon kawali.
Liempo tsaka lechon kawali. That looks good. Kami tapos na.
Let me drink this, I'll be there.
Tingnan natin kung masarap. Now ngayon guys, naka-check-in na kami. Pupunta kami sa gate number namin. Duty free, diba? Ito yung mga kasama namin. Half. So nauna sila Becca, the Gore family. Nauna sila. So yeah. Okay, see you again.
But office vacation ng
Okay guys, mag-ano muna tayo babas right to the plane. Hindi ka lang awesome na. See you guys. Okay guys, ito yung plane na a couple of minutes ride. Plane namin.
If you have these items, you may keep them personally or put them under the seats in front of you. If you're seated by the exit row, you are required by civil aviation regulations to read the passenger briefing card. If you wish to be reseated, please inform any of your service. Please be reminded that power banks and spare batteries are now prohibited inside the overhead storage bin. If you have these items, you may keep them personal.
Nakikita na naman ng ngipin niya.
Oh, malaki space nito kaysa pag-iba.
Okay, gusto niyo ng ano?
So yeah, we're taking off now. Waiting for the palo. So see you. We're getting off now, guys. Goodbye. So nandito kami sa Coron, Palawan, Busuanga. Babala ng plane. Dito. Nandun kami. So we'll see you guys later. Alright. Sarap. So Francisco B. Reyes Airport, Busuanga Island, Coron. Ngayon, sa shuttle na kami papunta ng hotel namin. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes ang ride. So yeah, stay tuned. See you guys. Okay. Hello po. Ako na tatlo ako na. Kami, ayun si Marlon, no? Look, Marlon here. So ito yung aming pupunta, mag-isa na hotel. Pro Vista Lodge de Coron Resort Hotel. Ayan, wow, ganda. Saka mainit, masarap. Wow. Okay, ngayon papunta tayo sa room namin. I think room 215. So, yeah. Ang second floor. Yun lang, 215, 215. Dito, 211, 212, 213, 214, and then 215 here. Yeah, tignan natin kung tsura ng room nito. Okay, let's have a look. Oh wow, okay, 2 queens.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
No.
Feel the bed, it's nice and soft.
What's our view?
Finally we